Now let us study a problem on the joint probabilities. You consider rolling two dice. Each dice shows one of the six possible numbers, namely 1, 2, 3, etc. 6. So total unique rolls will be, since you consider two dice, 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. So that is the total possible ways. Now here the joint possibilities of two dice when they are played, they are nothing but pairs, namely 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, like that 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So if we consider here, you will find 36 possible pairs are available. Now here I want to consider the pairs such that the sum of the rolls will be equal to 4. That means here the possible pairs are 3 1, 2 2, 1 3 as highlighted in the pair sets. So you are having only the possible pairs such that the sum of the numbers is 4 is nothing but 3 and total number of pairs 36. So the probability will be 3 by 36, that is nothing but 1 by 12. In terms of percentage, it becomes 8.3. So this is the typical example to consider joint possibilities when you roll two dice. Thank you.